DynaVox is providing this video for general informational purposes to assist with attaching our connected mounting system frame clamp to a variety of models of wheelchairs. DynaVox cannot guarantee the results of using this video with your particular wheelchair. We encourage you to contact a local professional or your DynaVox representative if you have questions regarding the attachment of the frame clamp to your wheelchair.
Hi, I'm Jeff. Today, we're going to mount this connected wheelchair system to this manual wheelchair. First, we're going to locate our side mount clamp along with our small multi-hole. These two pieces are going to be connected to this 1-inch rail that's located underneath the seat. So let's take a look at what we have in our bag. So what we have is we have our two pieces that make up our side clamp, and we have two screws. We also have this multi-hole piece that has a bunch of ridges on one side and is very flat on the other side. We're interested in the flat side. Now if you notice, there's two holes that are very far apart. Those are the holes that we're going to use to align this guy up with. Now, there's only two holes that this will mate with, so you can't really go wrong. So what we're going to do is line those guys up so that they're like so. We're going to go ahead and feed one of the screws through. And what we're going to do is with the other piece, I'm going to start the thread. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So go ahead and line the holes up and then start the thread. So what we have is our pre-assembled side clamp. So next what we're going to do is take this guy, slide it up underneath around the tube and tighten it down. And with our hand, we're just going to screw these guys in a little bit. And from here, we're going to take our tool that comes with our kit and finish tightening down everything to make it nice and snug. Just make sure it's nice and snug. Alright, the next thing we're going to look for is our connected mounted chair fastener. It says it right on the package, mount chair fastener. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the package, and with our red handled tool we're going to attach it to our side clamp that we just attached to the side of the chair. Make sure it's not tight so that we can slide our tube into that slot. So we're going to locate the smallest tube in the box. That guy's going to slide in here right where this guy's at. And if you happen to have tightened it too tight to get the tube in, go ahead and loosen it up a little bit. Get that guy down in there and adjust it to where you want it, and then tighten it up. This is a 2-tube connector with the black lever. This is our next piece to this puzzle. Slide it down our 12-inch tube. We're going to open up the black handle, and with our red handled tool we're going to clamp down on this guy nice and tight. Now as you can see, the handle's facing outward. This is incorrect because what can happen is you can hit the door or a doorway and it'll open up. So we just go in here, loosen this guy up, rotate it 180 degrees, and we'll tighten it back down so that we have the black handle in the correct orientation. we're going to take our vertical tube clamp along with a 20-inch tube. We're going to go ahead and position this piece about 3 inches from the end of the tube. And we're going to go ahead with our red-handled T-tool, and we're going to tighten it down. There's a groove on the bottom of this vertical tube clamp. There's a pin at the top of the black lever clamp. That pin is going to go into that groove. First, we need to release the black lever, drop the tube down in, rotate it counterclockwise till it cannot turn anymore, and then we can go ahead and close that black lever. Next, we'll take our 20-inch tube and our 2-tube clamp, and from here we're going to slide the 2-tube clamp down the vertical tube, and then we're also going to put in our 20-inch tube on the other side, and we're going to adjust it to where we would like it and tighten it down. This is the device holder. We're going to slide it down the end of the 20-inch tube and tighten it into place. Alright, the last step is to attach the device plate to the back of the device. This is where you will need your own tool. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the 2 small screws. We're going to line these 2 holes up with these 2 holes here. We'll go ahead and tighten these guys down. Once the device plate is on, just drop it into the device holder and you're done. You'll have to make some adjustments to the system. Just remember to remove the device before making the adjustments and then put the device back. For 24-hour technical support, you can find us at www.dynavoxtech.com/support.